Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools where used tool. You can use this tool to search where certain components, whether they be parts or assemblies, have been used. You can search for particular configurations of a component, or you can simply search for all the configurations, and you can also search in every single assembly and all drawings and all part files. So let's open up the tool. First, browse for the component that you would like to search where it's used. Then select the configurations if you want it to be configuration specific. Then select the folder that you would like to run a search on. Then go to results and change your options. In this case, you can see here I want to search in all the configurations of possible files. I also want to search all the levels within an assembly. And I want to search assemblies and drawings. Click close and search. Once that's done, you will see the results at the bottom, where it shows all the instances where that specific component and its configurations have been used. Thank you for watching.